Welcome, my friends. We have some more has come back in the YouTube channel Rovir Dikeche. Today I explain you a system of telecommunication called time division multiple access. They are in networking and in telecommunication system. There are used three technique of multiplexing. First one is frequency division multiplexing. Second one is time division multiplexing, which is called tdma, and first one is called fdma, and third one is cdma, which is code division multiple access. Here we mainly discuss the tdma or time division multiple access. In tdma system, at first the end point is in wireless telecommunication. In wireless telecommunications, in tdma system, the end point is at present is end user, which is mobile, which is called ms or mobile system. It is mobile system. It is mobile phone, or it may be your laptop, any electrical gadget which is mobile ms, which is called ms, mobile system. You connect mobile station. It is called mobile station. You connect mobile station to your nearby mobile phone tower. So mobile phone system or mobile system or mobile phone system uh, is used with the help of cellular system, which is called which is the primary equipment is the cellular system. In cellular system, the primary equipment is tower. You hear sometimes you see that sometimes you see that here and there is some long tower, a tall tower, and this tower situated with surrounding the some area. The any tower is the center of a hexagonal area, not cellular area. It is a hexagonal area in which center is in which center there is situated a tower. And when a tower is used, there are some frequency allotted to the tower. Actually, any area, any city like Calcutta, Mumbai, Chennai, etc., their city is assigned any service provider like Airtel, Vodafone, a number of frequency. And suppose Calcutta not, it is actual. It suppose Calcutta there are 50,000 tower. It is called BTS, base transceiver station, base transceiver station. And like there are, suppose 50,000 tower is situated in Calcutta city. When a Calcutta is assigned, suppose 300 frequency. But it is important that there 300 frequency is not the carrier frequency. The carrier frequency is the one. It is suppose 900 megahertz or 1800 megahertz. The bandwidth frequencies which is used in individual user or individual system, it is 300. When a tower is situated, suppose it is all data given is suppose, not is actual. When a tower is assigned, then the same frequency is not used the neighbor tower. After 2 and 3, after 3 to 7 nearby tower aside, there is used the same frequency. It is called frequency reuse, and the any tower and and its nearby towers is used different frequencies because of to avoid interference effect. It is inter-signal interference effect, because when a tower is situated, then the nearby tower and this tower all transmit signal and receive signal. If the both towers signal is interference, then no useful signal is received or transmitted possible by tower to mobile station or mobile station to tower. So mobile station is called mobile phone. Okay, it is clear. And now the next matter is, now the next subject matter is tdma. When some frequencies assigned to a tower, then between them one or two frequencies the same for almost all tower in a city. Thus this frequency used for only communicate to mobile station to tower. It is called a control channel. This frequency is equal same for almost all tower in a city, and this frequency is called which channel is used this frequency. This channel is called control channel. The task of control channel is to initiate call, to connect call, and to it is almost okay, and it is and now when a call is initiated, the same control channel is used. I think that the same control channel is used by tower and also by ms or mobile station or mobile phone. When a mobile station want to connect a call, he inform the tower with through mobile control channel, not by voice channel. Voice channel is a channel which is used only to hear and sending call. Now when the any mobile station ms when any mobile station or ms is initiated a call through the control channel, the signal is first sent to tower, then tower accept it and it verify that there any channel is idle, then it initiated through the channel. Any channel is idle, it is sure that the call will be connect to the rest of to rest of the end user. and which end user which we want to connect to I, and then because it is the main characteristic of, or otherwise it is the main difference between circuit switch and packet switch. The TDMA system is used GSM network for voice call. It is a circuit switch. When any of the side of end user, the connect the call, they want to he want to connect to another person, to another other side. If the which who is want to connect the call, if able to or uh, possible to or possible to connect the tower, or the tower there is any channel if idle, then it will be sure that the another person it is able to connect to the another person by the same said person, initiate who is initiated, we want to initiate call the next, because it is possible 100%. It is the fact the circuit switch is deterministic. It is TDM is a circuit system, but data switched, I get packet switched, which is used in data network, is not as certain. Data may be possible to. It is not a end to a point-to-point protocol. Data packet switch is not a point-to-point protocol, but circuit switch, which is used in TDMA system of GSM, is a point-to-point protocol. Point-to-point protocol is a certainistic matter, but otherwise other side, packet switch, which is not a point-to-point protocol, is not a certainistic matter. It will be possible, it will not be possible. Which when it's possible and when it's not possible, it is not between the system. It is any it lot of reason is is behind here. A lot of reason is behind here. Any reason will be able to not possible to connect the connection. Now the question is, what is TDMA? When any person want to initiate a call, at first he send a request to the tower through control channel, that if now TDMA system, how is there is 8 time slot in a tower, in any equipment in a tower, there is 8 time slot. The same frequency used in a 8 time slot. Suppose it may be 16, 10 anymore, but it may be a group of time slot. At first, any person who want to connect it, the tower, the BTS of tower assign the person to first time slot. Suppose any time slot, I mark it first time slot. Then another person is used second, and rest of 6 is idle. The logic, the matter is, it at first time it allow the first user which is assigned to first time slot for a certain amount of time. When the time is expired, it will leave it and it connect the second user, or otherwise the second time slot. And then the time is over, it will leave it and it will assign the third time slot, but third time slot is idle, but at particular fixed of time it will be assigned to it. Then fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, then again the first time slot, and the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and then again the first time slot. In this way, the cycle is running. It is the main art of the TDMA. and through the all time slot the same frequency is used. Now suppose if in a village or in a urban area, suppose there is 18 tower, and in 18 tower all are various many of time slots, then all the 18 towers time slot is attached to a next a 8 time slot, 8 group of time slot to one, that is it is connected to another, all the, that is all the 18 into 8. What is the figure of 18 into 8? It is 144. 18 to 8, it is 18 to 8, it is 144. All the 144 time slot is connected to a one time slot in the next hierarchy equipment of the tdma system. But there is no problem, because any time slot is connected, at one time to the next hierarchy 8 time slotted to one, any one time slot, and it is and there is a division, because the 144, if we divided it by 8, if you divide it by 8, it is 18. Then 18 group of time slot which is connected to one time slot, next 18 group of time slot is another time slot, it is completed to 8 time slot. And when the first 18 group of time slot is connected to one time slot, any one of first 18 group of time slot is connected at one time only to the one first time slot or one time slot of 8 time slot in next hierarchy. Okay, clear? And in this way the tdma system is run, and there is hierarchy to hierarchy, that ultimately there is one time 8 time slotted, and in this way the grouping is maintained. The next the other side, the same thing is happened, or actually in the other side, the first actually the other side, the here side, this side the 8 time slot is connected, and the other side is connected to the same 8 time slot of the maximum hierarchy time slotted, because the other side 8 the other side is connected to the 8 time slot of the this sided extension with the same time slotted, and the other side nodes is connected here in this way, because I think that in the other side the first time slot of the higher maximum hierarchy time slot at first time slot is in other side is assigned to 8 time slot, and these 8 time slot and the one of these 8 time slot is assigned to suppose 18 time slot, and the 18 times one of the 18 time slot is suppose assigned to the next 18 time slot. In this way it is a tree system, almost it is a tree system, and in this way the TDM system is run. Okay, thank you very much. I am Subhash Chandra Datta from Ravi Digeche. I hope you will be well the progressive day, and your progress is will be very running. I hope it to you very much. Thank you very much. Okay.